What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. In this video we got Wassie, right? The people that are in the crypto space, they know what this project symbolizes. They know what this project stands for. You see how Pepe is a huge thing when it comes to like just the stock market, Wall Street bets, you know, memes. Wassie is one of the original crypto memes. It's one of the original crypto memes, so it's very memeable and it's at a nice entry point, right? So I thought to myself, well, it's holding up pretty good. The community is still engaged. Let's check it out on the channel. As always, guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you hold Wassie. Share this video out with the community. I'd really appreciate it. I cover altcoins, I cover meme coins, you know, so y'all will see the videos, man. Y'all will see them. I gotta toss in some meme coins every now and again because, you know, a little exposure to these memes, they pay off, you know, because you know, even to this day, like, people are covering Pepe right now. You see what Pepe did, right? So we're gonna dive into it, guys. About Wassie, Ask Wassies are powered by ChatGPT and the Twitter API. It is helpful bot that will automatically reply to any mentions by providing summaries of any tweets. It's free to use and can be utilized by tagging Ask the Wassie on Twitter. Now, I saw this bot recently got engagement from Elon, and that helped the price up a bit. You know, as long as the Wassie community stays engaged and stays active, could see some bullish momentum from here, man. I'm telling you, but never invest more than you're willing to lose. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. If you're gonna trade these meme coin projects, you know, manage your risk, man. Risk management is super important. The good part about Wassie is though that it's a renounced contract, the liquidity is locked. It's community driven and it has a competent team. Fear launch. The Wassie token was deployed on Uniswap, where 93% of the tokens were added to the liquidity pool and 4.5% was reserved for CEXs. It's crucial for us to give everyone an equal chance to purchase our token. Competent team. The team behind Wassie has prior experience in the cryptocurrency field and has deployed contracts in the past. The team was composed with longevity and success as the primary target for Wassie. Equal distribution. Wassie introduced a mass wallet limit of 1% to restrict holders from owning excess amounts. Great stuff. That way they have great wallet distribution. Excess amounts of the supply, and to promote long-term price stability while preventing any form of market manipulation by bigger holders. 690 total supply, 69, nice. Max transaction 1%, max wallet 1%, 0% buy and sell tax. Beautiful. I love it. I love 0% buy and sell tax. When projects has taxes on ETH and you try to sell, you run out of ETH so fast if you get a failed transaction, right? So when there's 0% buy and sell tax, it's beautiful, right? So yeah, they're completing their roadmap. Next, they are working on partnerships, Wassify and Twitter. Hey, Wassie team, guys. Wassie team, if you guys want to reach out to me so I can make consistent updates on the project, I'd be happy to do so. Feel free to reach out, Wassie team or community. Improve marketing, integrations, and further partnerships at additional CEXs, team expansion, additional utilities. Join the Wassie community and journey to over and Wassie crypto Twitter. Follow along, chat on Telegram, or read up on what we're doing and our vision. The Wassie community is constantly expanding as we progress towards our goals of uniting all Wassies. Now, excuse me, let me take a look at the Twitter for Wassie. Right here, 4,600 followers. They're making tweets consistently, which is very nice. They're making meme tweets consistently. Oh my gosh, man. And they recently got an interaction from Elon, right, with the bot, right? So yeah, man, you can see the image for Wassie right here. Top gainers of the day. Wassie made a nice move recently. It's retracing back down now. We're gonna get into the chart in a bit. Announcements piece. Wassie's Telegram bot is hitting the scene in less than 24 hours. So they got a Telegram bot as well. You know, the memes are crazy. You know, pull it up with the Lambo, man. It was trending on Dex Tools right here. Now this is what I was pointing out with Wassie. Now Wassie could potentially be one of those ones that follows Pepe, in my opinion, right? There's another one that I'll cover that could follow Pepe, that's still at low market caps, right? At $1 million market cap. That's my entry point. I like that milli. I like the milli. So Small Thing, which is like the original Wassie guy, huge crypto personality, 244k followers. So, you know, this is what the Wassie is. The Wassie character. It's a, you know, a meme formed from Pepe, right? And it's called the Wassies. So there's a ton of memes that's being created for Wassie, right? There's a ton of memes being created for Wassie, as you can see, right? Just like how it's the same thing with Pepe. It's the same thing with Pepe. There's a ton of memes that are created with Pepe, as you can see. So that's why Pepe is so memeable and exploded so much. And in the bull run, when retail investors get into the space, you'll see Pepe explode again. I know that for a fact. It will, right? And it's just, but it's the same thing with Wassie. Wassie's one of those smaller memes that's being like growing in the crypto space, and eventually people will be using the Wassie meme consistently, right? This is how my thought process for this meme is going. Right? I know I should be low IQ, but when it comes to meme coins, but you know, when it this is, you know, I just gotta explain why I think Wassie could be big, right? So yeah, Elon made a tweet. How many years do we have before AI kills us? Asked the Wassie, replied to Elon, and then Elon Musk says the AI Wassie has ascended. And Small Thing, like the top Wassie guy, Small Thing, he's bullish on the Wassie project, right? So, you know, could be huge. I'm making this because I see the potential here, and I just want to support the community. You know, I see, you know, the market cap and everything. I'm like, man, if this makes a comeback, because I'm gonna take a look at the chart in a second. I'm gonna take a look at the chart in a second. But if this makes a comeback, man, you never know, right? So I'm never smart enough to get projects back here. I always say I'm never smart enough to catch the memes back here. Whoever is, shout outs to y'all. But when they start doing this and they still have an active community and everything, you know, pretty much went flat. So it's 3x up from this low right here. It may retrace some more, you know, it may retrace some more and go back into accumulation, right? It may retrace some more, go back into accumulation. It may do that, right? And then you never know. Like I said, you never know, guys. Meme coin season comes back. Meme coin season comes back. Wassie the meme blows up, just like how the Pepe meme is a popular meme. The Wassie meme is becoming a popular meme, right? Guess what's gonna send when a huge Wassie meme explodes, or Elon makes a Wassie meme tweet, just like Milady meme coin. Milady meme coin, Elon tweeted it out, and Milady meme, and then boom, Milady's, the NFTs blew up, and Milady meme coin exploded, right? Possibility of Elon making a Wassie meme tweet, and the way the Wassies speak, stuff like that, it got a lot of memeability around it. So shout out to the Wassie community. If you guys are tuning into this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video out. You know, again, could see a turnaround for this project. We'll see. Sitting at under the $1 million market cap range. This is, you know, my type of place, you know, less than $1 million market cap. I like that. And yeah, we'll see what happens, man. Just got to keep it up, team, keep it up, community. And you know, could see a reversal for this project whenever meme coin season comes back, whenever Pepe starts going crazy again, right? We'll see what happens for this one, guys. But yeah, I like what I see from the project overall. In my opinion, y'all already understand my mindset. I think the Wassie meme is growing. You know, there's There's the Wassie, small thing Wassie, who is like the front runner for that. Elon might follow him in the future. He makes funny memes all the time. He has the Wassie verse. Look at this. The Wassie, the whole Wassie, like, how should I say, the whole Wassie culture, just like there's a culture for Pepe, the whole Wassie culture could explode, and then the original Wassie right here blows up, in my opinion. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Wassie community, please, man, share this video out, get it to 2,000 views, 10,000 views. Like, share, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.